all the clubs in Bulgaria.
Здравейте и добре дошли в днешното видео, в което ще си говорим на английски. За тези вас, които не разбират добре английски, ще има субтитри. Здравейте! Oh, why did I start speaking? Hi everyone! I posted a picture on Instagram and asked you all to submit your questions, so we answered them in a sit-down proper video like this. But I feel it's a little unfair because I know the questions and Josh doesn't. So I just quickly googled boyfriend tag questions. But I think you should introduce yourself to everyone.
What do I say?
Well, they all want to know how old are you, where you're from, if you have any brothers and sisters.
I'm Josh, obviously. I'm 26 at the moment. I have a brother and a sister.
You feel very uncomfortable.
Of course I'm uncomfortable.
So you're a Korean, you're from Korea.
Oh yes, I'm Korean, I'm from Korea. I was born in Korea.
So, yeah, they were asking about the city as well.
In Seoul, the capital city.
Yes.
I came to England when I was like 12, 13. I've been here since then. I'm British now. I got my British citizenship this July, June.
What do you work? What is your job?
I'm a machine learning engineer at this health tech company.
It'll be hard for me to translate. Oh, what did you study at university?
I studied biomedical engineering, both my bachelor's and my master's, and yeah.
And you have a brother and a sister?
Both of my brother and sister are older than me. My sister is in Korea right now and living...
I wouldn't have to give that much detail.
Yes, okay, whatever. And my brother's in Wales.
You can say hi
Cardiff.
to him. And we can say hi to both of them.
He's a dentist.
I'll put up Marco's details here if you need some dental work done. We're starting with the questions. Boyfriend and girlfriend tag. When, where did you meet?
When? Back in 2009.
So 9 years ago.
9 years ago, we met at the school that we were going to.
We used to go to school together at St. Bede's school.
She came and then she was like, "Ah, Josh."
That's not the question. Okay, next question. Where was our first date? I don't know. I think our first date was in the math rooms.
Can we call that a date? That was just a after school kind of just hang
How
around.
can we go on a date at school?
If you had to say a proper like sit down date, it would be at the restaurant called Zizzi's.
Oh yeah, that was a really nice restaurant.
So Italian
place in Helsham.
In Helsham.
Oh yeah.
Yes, in Helsham.
Our school was near Eastbourne or Brighton.
Oh?
I'm just telling people where the school was near.
Okay.
Where, when was our first kiss?
Our first kiss?
Yeah.
Or like a proper kiss?
Yes.
In front of the girls' boarding house?
Yes, he was saying bye to me because we had to go back to the rooms at a certain hour.
Yeah.
And boys weren't allowed into girls' houses.
Of course not.
Of course not. But he was just saying goodbye to me and that's when we kissed. There was a little, like a bridge there.
Yes, and it was raining.
Oh, it was raining. Really romantic. Who said I love you first?
I did.
Yeah, you did say first.
Of course.
When is my birthday?
Your birthday?
Yes.
Serious?
Yeah.
10th of August.
Good. What year?
1994.
Where was I born?
Sophia.
Yeah, you're not supposed
Bulgaria.
to know the hospital. What color are my eyes?
Changes time to time, but mostly blue. A little bit
blue.
Sometimes green.
Yeah, good. Which food do I like and which food do I hate? Oh, come on.
You like kimchi.
Oh, I love kimchi. I love Korean food.
Yeah.
I don't think people on my channel know. They were also asking if I know anything about Korean culture and if I have ever tried Korean food. I have tried Korean food many times and I love Korean
kimchi
food.
stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially when you cook it for me.
Yes.
Do you like Bulgarian cuisine?
Oh, I like the kufte a lot.
Yes. You like lutenica?
Lutenica.
I brought you homemade lutenica from my
We
grandma.
need to have it. You need to cook me some kufte.
Oh yeah, I can make you kufte.
Yes, make some kufte.
Yeah.
So I can have lutenica.
People were asking if you like banitsa, but you don't like banitsa.
I'm not the biggest
He doesn't
fan
like
of
bread.
banitsa.
Oh, do you know what? He also doesn't like pizza. Have you ever met a person who doesn't like pizza?
You've met me now.
Oh, if I know any Korean, I don't know any Korean.
No, she knows how to introduce herself.
No, not very good apparently.
She can say I love you, she can say good night, she can say like honey, like babe.
You can say a lot of things.
Just little bits in Bulgarian.
Okay, you can say something in Bulgarian. Do you want to have a short conversation?
No.
Come on.
I can say Zdravej
Здравей.
or Zdravейте. I don't know what the difference is.
Здравейте is when it's a group of people.
Ah.
Or if you're saying in a polite way.
Здравейте. People.
Хора.
Хора. Такси.
Добре съм, а ти?
Добре. Мерси.
What else?
Какво правиш?
Нищо.
Добре. Браво!
So the question was, what food do I like? So I like Korean food. And what food don't I like? So I don't like.
Oh, she doesn't like the fat bits in the meat.
Yes, I don't.
Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't like anything squishy texture stuff.
I don't like my hair. Oh, what's my weirdest habit?
Weirdest habit? Everything's weird about you.
Yeah, okay, that's accurate. I'm not gonna argue with it.
She picks her nose.
Oh, everyone picks their nose. Whoever says they don't pick their nose, they're lying.
I don't pick my nose.
My weirdest habit is picking my nose. Come on, that's a pretty regular habit.
She makes weird noise.
No. I do sometimes when I get in the weird mood. I sing you songs.
That's not a
Poochie
habit.
Baachi.
What's the weirdest thing I do?
I don't know, maybe the tapping thing is weird to me. Because I don't do it.
Oh.
He would go like this on objects. Make sound.
Yeah.
Oh, you can tell people why you do this.
Because I play the drums and it's just become a habit of mine just to hit things.
To hit things sounds so wrong. Oh, that's easy. What drink do I always order?
Or drink? Rosé or white wine.
You order Coke.
All the time.
What's my favorite color?
Blue.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No. It used to be like ages ago.
Okay, well what is it then?
White. White is technically not a color. What is your favorite color?
Don't know.
Yeah, I think you do.
White is actually... Never mind.
No, you can tell people what white is.
It's a combined colour of all colours. White is all colours. Every colour. If you did science, people, you know what
Is
I'm
that
talking
right?
about. Of course.
It's
So
not a colour.
black is absence of every single colour.
Absence of light, basically.
Yeah, I guess you could say.
Because you can see color because of light.
Yeah, and white is all of the colours combined.
Or it's just really bright light. Who usually?
No, you know, so that's why on the TVs, especially these OLED TVs, you can see red light, red LED, green LED, RGB blue LED. So those three are the main like color spectrum kind of light, right? So when they all light up, we see white.
Oh, do we?
Never mind.
Who usually wins our arguments?
She does, because I always lose, because it's better that way.
Okay. I am at the zoo. Well, that's such a weird question. I am at the zoo. Where do I spend all of my day?
In her cocoon.
No.
She loves a cocoon.
I think I'm just like I'm a visitor. I'm not part of the animal.
Well, you just become one.
Where am I on a Friday night?
Clubs. All the clubs in Bulgaria.
Who is the organized one in the relationship? Well, what do they mean in the relationship? It's about organized with their emotions.
She's all over with emotions.
No, I'm
I
not.
always keep myself together. Where she's like, no. Aww.
I'll tell you what questions they were also asking on Instagram. How do we deal with long distance?
We just deal with it.
So even when I was in Vienna, that was a long distance relationship.
Yeah.
You would come to Vienna. I would never come to England.
Yeah, I always try to come as often as I could, whenever I could afford it.
I didn't travel before much because of panic attacks and also because I swore I'll never come back to England because of bad memories. Yeah, now that I can travel and I enjoy traveling, I might be moving here.
Just stop the recording and charge.
Okay, we're now gonna film another video where you do my makeup. You'll be able to watch more of Josh. But you can ask any questions in the comment section below.
Please press like, subscribe.
Целувам ви, прегръщам ви и до скоро.
I just had to say goodbye, no love.